EveryDollar is a budgeting app that uses the zero-based budgeting system, or also known as the envelope system. The concept involves allocating specific amounts of money to different categories, akin to physical envelopes for each expense category, ensuring every dollar has a designated purpose. This method helps track spending closely and promotes disciplined financial management. When you first sign up to EveryDollar, it walks you through a number of questions and creates your new budget based on your answers. This is really helpful if you are just starting to use a budgeting app. The free version allows you to use the budget feature with no limitation on the number of accounts or budgets you create. Bank linking is only available on the premium version. Transferring between budget lines is also locked behind the premium version. If you want to move the amount to another budget, you will need to go back to the previous month if it was added last month and then add to the new budget. You cannot input negative amount in the planned column. You also need to turn the budget category into a fund if you want the budget to roll over to next month, else it will not be visible on your next month's budget. There's a helpful graph on the right side to show you the summary of your budget against spending for each month. There's also a number of self-help videos in the left sidebar to guide you in the app. Although not related to the web app itself, signing up for an account requires you to verify your account via email before we can start using the app, which is very good. But email spam is not good. After signing up, I received another 3 emails from EveryDollar maker, Ramsey Solutions. The web app UI is modern and responsive. I really like the design of this app and it doesn't look too busy. But no dark mode as well, less I. For the budgeting functionality, initial setup is also available when you first sign up on EveryDollar. Helpful for budgeting beginners, it can provide a very solid foundation for your needs. One thing I noticed after the initial setup is done, I did not select the I have a car option, but the budget created still include categories for gas and car maintenance. I find it easy to edit your budget due to the responsive design of the app. A lot of features are locked behind the premium version as well. Paycheck planning, goals, roadmap, insights, and as a coach are only accessible if you have paid for the premium version. I feel that these features are not needed if you are a beginner, but goals is one feature that we can utilize with our budgets. Another differentiating feature of EveryDollar is that you need to create the budget for each month. You don't need to recreate one by one, as it will base the new budget from the previous month's budget categories. It also allows you to plan your budget even if the money is not yet in your bank account. Sadly, the mobile app is not available in Google Play Store in my region, so we did not get the chance to test drive the mobile app. As mentioned, for the free version, budget feature is unlocked, and you can also do the 14-day trial to experience all features unlocked. For the premium version, you need to pay $10 per month or $80 per year. If you pay for the premium version, you can use the paycheck planning, goals, roadmap, insights, and as a coach. And the bank linking also is available for US banks only. You can quickly grasp the EveryDollar budgeting system, especially if you're familiar with other zero-based budgeting apps. The web app is really nice and responsive and can be customized to your need. Too bad we're not able to check out the mobile app. I would assume that the design will be similar on a mobile-friendly format. If you're just starting to budget, EveryDollar is a very good option to consider for a budgeting app. It has no limitation on the budget feature. This can be a better alternative for other paid apps if you don't need or use the premium features like paycheck planning, goals, or roadmap. I will post an in-depth review later of EveryDollar app while using the 2-week trial. Subscribe now so you won't miss it. If you are using a different budgeting app and can be used as an alternative to the paid apps, let me know in the comments. And if you want to learn more about other budgeting apps, look here.